Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a what's in my purse. This was actually gifted from my brother's girlfriend. She just found it in her house and gave it to me, so thank you for that. Yeah, I think it's super cute. I love it. It's my style. And yeah, it's tiny. I love small bags. I don't really like totes or whatever. They're just not my style and they're too big. And like I only keep like a few things in there. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, which will be up here. And also, if you want to go check out my blog, it will be down below in the description box. And I'm selling a few things on Depop and Poshmark, so if you want to go check that out too, yeah, go check that stuff out. This is my Louis Vuitton bag. I don't know what style it is at all. It's just a bucket bag. It's the perfect size. It has these little buckles here for the belt, even though I never like move it, or I don't even know if you can move it. I don't know. But the inside, it's kind of peeling because of the leather. It's super old. It does get annoying, but I might fix it in the future. I'm not really sure yet. So in this pocket right here. So since coronavirus, this is a new essential face mask, and it's all dirty because of the leather in my purse. So it's all gross. Okay, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's disgusting. Like it has leather all over it. Then I have these tissues because I've been like getting allergies and all that lately, so I always need tissues. Then I have my AirPods, which I'm constantly listening to music, especially when I don't want people talking to me. So yeah, I just carry my AirPods, even though I ripped this here, which I have to fix. Like I destroy everything. Next I have these Clean and Clear oil blotting sheets, oil absorbing sheets. That's what they're called. I don't know. So they're just like this, and you just pat it all over your face. I'm almost done with these, so I need to get a new pack. Then I have this sunglass cleaner, lens cleaning wipe. I haven't used it yet. Can it focus? Yeah, okay. So these are lens cleaning wipes that my grandma gave to me. I haven't used it yet, so. Then, following here, I don't even know if I put my card back in here. I don't think so. But I have some cash in there, like maybe $2. Oh, I do have my card in here. Okay, so I have my card, my money there. I'm not gonna show it because then, like, then I have, so, why is it all dirty? Well, my case is ruined. That's great. So I have these Chloe sunglasses that I carry with me all the time ever since I got them. I got them in LA, and they were with me everywhere. And the case is so cute, and now it's like all purple now because of like my freaking chapstick. So it's like this, and they're these like bug-eyed sunglasses, and I just think they're so cute. Like I love big round glasses, so yeah. I actually got these at Nordstrom Rack. Then I have this hand lotion. Well, it's a body lotion, but I use it as hand lotion. Since I have really crusty hands because of washing my hands constantly, I have this super old Victoria's Secret Coconut Passion lotion, which I want to get rid of all my lotions as soon as possible because I'm tired of like hoarding all this stuff I've had for so many years. I think this is like 4 years old, so I need to get rid of it. Then I have, so this is the cool part. I don't know if this bag came with a tiny bag before, but I use a chain for my keys because I lose my keys constantly, so I have them. And look, I only have one key, and I have like 5 bajillion like keychains. Explain that to me. I don't know what's going on with my brain, but I just decided to like clip on like 5 keychains. I don't carry fragrance with me everywhere, to be honest. I get too lazy for that. But I have this Kate Spade in Full Bloom little perfume, so you just take off the cap and then you just like pat it on. So yeah, I'm probably gonna leak this in my bag and destroy everything. But yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of everything I have. So yeah, I have this hand sanitizer. It's all dirty because of the leather again. I don't know who designed this bag, but they did a terrible job on the interior. Then I have this Glossier lip gloss. I'm using a different one right now, not this sparkly one, even though I love it. But yeah, I can't even smell the vanilla anymore. This lip gloss in here. I usually carry a lip balm as well. I carry the berrybalm.com. So yeah, I just have like a little duo and I'm ready. Like sometimes I feel like wearing lip gloss, sometimes I feel like wearing lip balm. Of course, I always bring my phone everywhere. Like I just throw it in my bag. I don't have a specific pocket. I just throw it in there and then I end up losing it sometimes because I can't find it. So yeah, that is everything I have in my little Louis Vuitton bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not bragging. I'm super grateful for everything that I have. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Help me reach 2,000 subscribers, please. Bye.